You can create your own sunshine, and it starts here. You're not lazy, you're not unmotivated, you're just tired because you're doing it all. Caring for your loved one, holding it all together, trying to build a better future on scraps of free time. That's exactly why I decided to join the Legacy Builder Blueprint in October 2024. It's not just a course, it's a lifeline. Inside, we show you exactly how to earn online using simple tools, work around your caregiving schedule, build daily income without any guesswork. Finally, feel in control of your time and finances. I know what it's like to feel like you're living in survival mode. But I also know how it feels to create your own sunshine. One step, one sale, one day at a time. Contact me now for more information via my website, email, DM or drop a comment below this video. And remember, you can do this. You just need the right blueprint.